Welcome back to the channel, and on this episode we're going to be doing some F350 Banjo Bolts upgrades. Now these are going to be flowing a lot better. The diesel is going to flow a lot better through these, and I got these from RiffRaff, obviously. So let's go see what we got to do first, and we're going to start right now. Alright, to get to one of the banjo bolts on the front, it's going to be behind this alternator bracket. So I'm going to remove the belt and unbolt this bracket. I think there's two bolts holding it, and I'm going to move it forward. And that's going to give me access behind here to get to the bolt. I don't think I have to remove anything else, but that's that. The one in the back is way somewhere over there behind the head by the up pipe there, by the down pipe there. And I'm gonna see if I can reach it from here or from the bottom, but either way, that's really the only way to get to it, from the top or from the bottom. There's really no other easier way of doing it. I'm gonna drain my fuel bowl. What I end up doing is connecting a rubber hose from here all the way down behind the transmission, and it's gonna come out here. I'm gonna drain it into a little bucket, and this is, for now, this is temporary. I'm gonna remove it after I drain, because I don't want it to melt on the pipes or anything. So I'm doing this just to drain the fuel bowl. But for now, this is temporary, and then I'm gonna figure out a better way to mount it somewhere in the front. So let's go ahead and drain the bowl, unbolt this bracket, move it out of the way, get this banjo bolt, and then try to get the other one. And I only have about 30 minutes before I have to go to work. So let's get this done. All right, let's go. The stock banjo bolt is right here behind this bracket, so I moved it about 2 inches, and I put a piece of wood right here, so it's giving me the space that I need. And then I got a little ratchet, and I'm gonna fit it in there. And I did not drain the fuel bowl, actually, because I was curious to see if I even need to drain the fuel bowl, to see if this will be leaking out. Well, it's actually pretty easy to remove. Oh, it's leaking out. It's leaking out. Okay, well, I'll drain the fuel bowl really quick, and then we get that out. All right, so I'm gonna open up the valve, and we're gonna drain into the bucket. All right, Matthew, you ready to hold it?
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Okay, he's holding it. All right, let's open up the valve right here. Okay, I'm opening it. Ready? And there we go. Is it draining?
Yep.
Yep, it's draining. Okay, here, I got it.
Well, I can hold it.
Okay, you can hold it. Okay. All right, Matthew's holding it. We're draining the diesel. Tell me when it's done. Keep holding. Is it done?
Yes. Okay.
There we go. Thank you, sir. Okay, back up slowly. Oh, it's leaking a little bit more. That's okay. All right, so there's our diesel. We're gonna put it safely right here. All right, now I'm gonna go remove the banjo bolt. No, I got it, Matthew. A little helper over there. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, we got that. All right, and here's the stock banjo bolt versus the RiffRaff banjo bolt. And yeah, you can tell the holes are a lot better. I mean, some people drill these out, but honestly, I think it's just worth replacing them. All right, let's put the RiffRaff banjo bolt in, and then put the bracket back on, and then try to get to the back one. All right, now let's see if I can get to the back one. Let me remove this hose real quick. Make sure there's no dripping. Okay, we got that. A little bit of dripping, but that's okay. Okay, I didn't think we'd get any. Yeah, we didn't get any in the valley. I got my little cloth, so the valley is still pristine, clean, dry. You can eat off the valley. It's still perfect. All right, let's try to get to the back banjo bolt. Matthew, I think I found it. Now if only Matthew can get down there and get this one for me, that would be great. Oh man, this is gonna. You can get it? Well, I don't think. I wish you could. It's kind of far. It's kind of impossible. I can feel it, but I can't see it. That's what's.
Probably I can see it.
You can probably see it. Well, see if you can see it, because I can't see it. Okay, Matthew, go see if you can see it. Go under. You can hold on to the step. Right here. Okay, see if you can see the little thingy.
Look like.
There's a tool there. See if you can see it. Do you see where that thingy is? And do you see that tool? That's what I need to get. Can you get that?
I can't reach with my hand. Like.
Maybe stand up and get it. Just kidding, don't stand up.
There's a piece of wood here.
Yeah, I put that so it's bending out of the way. Matthew, are you gonna stand up and get it or no?
No.
No?
Probably could go on my knees and get it.
No, it's okay. All right, get out. I'm gonna get it. Okay. All right, so I guess Matthew found it. No, other way. Come back out, not under. Unless you're gonna fix something else. Are you gonna fix other things? You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Too sunny? Okay, get up. All right, guys. So yeah, I wasn't able to get it from the top, but it's actually a lot easier from the bottom. You can see it right here from this angle. And if you're wondering what this piece of wood is, it was kind of rattling against the starter here. And then later on, I'm gonna probably loosen the whole pipe system, because I think before it wasn't hitting, but when I was doing the turbo and then reinstalling it, maybe I tightened it a little bit at a weird angle. I don't know. But anyways, I'll get to that later. But for now, this is the banjo bolt right there. If you can see that, it's on top. Can you guys see that right there? That's where it is. So from the bottom, it's a lot easier actually than from the top. So I'm gonna remove that really quick, and I'm assuming it's gonna drip on me, maybe. So I'm gonna remove that and put the new one in, and we're done. Oh man, phone is beeping. I gotta go to work. Let's see if we can get it. I'm sure we can get it. We can get it. Matthew's over there playing with his RC car. Upgraded battery. It drives so much better, so much faster. Right, Matthew? Is a lot more fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you gonna crash? Uh-oh, you went into the weeds. Alright, have fun. Is that in the hole? Let's see. Can't see nothing. The main thing, you gotta make sure the square lines up pretty good. That's the only thing. Matthew, play on the grass, please. Oh, dripping, dripping, dripping. Okay. Well, what I like about these banjo bolts, you just getting it loose just a little bit, and then the rest can be done by hand. That's what I love about this. Okay. I think we got it. Oh, still dripping. Still dripping. Not on the camera. Come on. Alright, that wasn't a big deal. Just a little diesel. Diesel cleans pretty good. So let's put the stuff. Let's put the RiffRaff Banjo Bolt in there. Okay. Let's see. Left hand or right hand? I think it's easier with the right hand. Well, it's easier with the camera not on the way. That's also easier. All right, right hand is a lot easier than left hand. I did wipe the hole just in case there's some dirt. And then we got that tightened down. And we got our 10mm. That's usually always missing. So we got that. And we get that tied down. And she's good. All right, let's prime the fuel bowl about 5 times and start her up. See, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's start her up. Pretty easy. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Easy little mod, cheap little mod. Kind of easy to install if you know what you're doing, but it's pretty basic. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.